Good morning, students. In your regular math, this second semester syllabus, only one chapter remain. This last one. See this 15th one chapter, statistics. Today we are going to study here this chapter 15, statistics. See, in this chapter, this point is average. The following table shows, see in your textbook page number 95. This following table shows how many minutes Asmita took to cycle to school every morning from Monday to Saturday. See this here, day and minutes given. Monday 20 minutes, Tuesday 20 minutes, Wednesday 22 minutes, Thursday 18 minutes, Friday 18 minutes and Saturday 20 minutes. We see from this table that she makes here 18 minutes on some days, which days here 20 on others, and even 22 minutes on the day. If we consider these 6 school days, what would you say is the approximate time she took to cycle to school? Here 6 school days of time is given, but approximate time this cycles she takes to cycles to school. In mathematics, to make such as an estimate and to find the average, and you find here this average. If we add this together, number of minutes, if you add this together, this number of minutes required on each day and divide the sum by 6, means how many numbers here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then you divide by 6. The number we get is approximately the time required every day, and it is the average of all these 6 numbers. Means average is equal to formula. You see this? Average is equal to formula sum of all numbers and divided by total numbers. See here, numbers given here, average is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 plus 20. Means here, sum of all numbers divided by total numbers. How many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, you do this addition of all these numbers. 118 divided by 6. Then here 6 ones are 6. Then here 19, integer 2 by 3. Then on an average, Asmita takes 19 integer 2 by 3 minutes to cycle to school every day. Then second one example you see here, a school conducted a survey to find out how far their students live from the school. Given below is the distance of the houses of 6 of the students. Here distance is given, see here 950 meter, 800 meter, 700, 1.5 kilometer, this kilometer and here meter. Firstly you convert these all values in, make here same kilometer convert into meter, otherwise meter convert into kilometer. See this. Next one example. Average is equal to sum of all numbers divided by these total numbers. Then see this number 950 meter plus 800 meter plus 700 meter plus here 1.5 kilometer. Then this kilometer is converted into meter, means 1500 meter plus 1 kilometer means 1000 plus and here 750 meter. Then divided by these total numbers, how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then divided by 6. Then addition here, all these numbers 5700 divided by 6. Then here 6 9s are 54, 3 6 5s are 30, 0. Then average of all these numbers is equal to 950. meter. Means here below answer write in words the average distance at which the students live from the school is 950 meter. The next one example you see here. Rutuja practiced skipping with a rope all 7 days of a week. The number of times she jumped the rope in 1 minute every day is given below. Here this sum of number of jumps on 7 days and total number of days is here given. This 60, 62, 61, 60, 51, 63, 58. Average is equal to right here addition of this total number and divided by how many total numbers here? 7. Then here addition to here. See this example. $60 plus 62 plus 61 plus 59 plus 63 plus 58. 60, 62, 61. Again one number here. 60, 59 plus 61 remain. Divided by here. How many numbers here? 7. Then you do addition here. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 means here 3, 2 carry. Then 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 6, here 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 6, 42 and divided by 7. Then see this 7 6 are 42. Then here not even 0. Then take point here 7 4 are 28. Then again 2 remain. Then 7 2 are 14. Means average this number 60.42. 60.42. The average number of these jumps per minute is 60.42. The samples that we have, the quantity we are measuring are called as these readings or scores. We know that this number of jumps will be counted in natural numbers. Never will there be a fractional number of these jumps. However, their average can be a fractional number, and average is equal to sum of all squares in the given data divided by this total number of scores. Means here formula average number is equal to sum of all given data and divided by these total numbers. Then see this next one, practice set 54. This remaining part tomorrow, okay?
To 10 minutes, number 8 again.